Alright everyone, it snowed last night, and remember last time, or yesterday I did my weather report, I said that it was all rainy in the afternoon, it was foggy in the morning, and then, well it was rainy the whole day, and then in the evening it started to get cold and windy, and now it's all snowy, and it's both snowy and windy, so we have sort of like a wind chill. It's like 18 degrees right now, so it is a huge temperature drop compared to last week during Christmas. Yeah, see? So I'm just gonna do some snow shoveling, and I don't know about everyone else, but I love shoveling snow. Whenever it snows, I always love to shovel the porch. Especially when it's still snowing too. When all the snow is still fresh, like this. See that? See how fresh all that is? It is fresh. But it's also windy too. Watch this. Ah. Yeah. It's cool. My dad shoveled half of it, and I'm just gonna shovel the rest. I'm wearing my sneakers. I have boots, but most of the time I don't wear them. If it's like really deep, like ankle high or knee high, then I'll wear boots. But this is pretty moderate for me. It's pretty moderate. Oh, this is corn. This is like a fake corn for the squirrels. The squirrels come on here and eat it. Most of the wind is actually blowing off a lot of the snow on the roof and everything. It's cool. Posts, right? Or whatever they're called, I don't know. This is like average weather for people in the Midwest whenever it's cold out. It's like no big deal. We got that Scandinavian blood in us. It'll take more than a little snow to slow us down. With the one hand most of the time like this. And sometimes I'll actually shovel the whole sidewalk on the block, and I'll just like pave it with one hand like this, like it's nobody's business. Hopefully this snow stays around just as long as late November's winter storm. I love snow. But I don't love snow when it rains and then snows and then the roads are all icy. That's when I don't like it. But when it's like it's all good. Back at me. I'm gonna shovel the stairs as well after this. Never mind, I can't see. Honestly, it looks pretty good here. Shovel the stairs now. Hopefully you can still hear me. Okay. Alright, hold on. Alright, it's time to shovel the stairs. Let's do this. This usually takes a short bit of time as well. Push it in there like this. That was my neighbor. He was snow plowing the whole driveway. He's a good man. He shovels everyone's driveway whenever it snows. He like snow plows the whole neighborhood. He's a good man. I've known him ever since I was a kid. Every now and then we see him going into the garage and just hanging out. Sometimes his wife comes over and gives us some gifts. He's good. He's good. Stairs look good. Yeah, we just kind of push them in towards the lower deck and under the deck. That's what we do. Yeah, stairs are clean. I'm not gonna rest until it's all totally cleaned up. Yep. Might as well shovel this part right here, why not? Yep. That's where all the snow goes. It always goes over here on this side. So yeah, now we're gonna shovel the little stairs. Let's do this. All right, now it's time for the little stairs. These are the stairs I always go down to. The big stairs, they've always felt very flimsy for me. And I always go down here. It's just more well goes for me. I don't know what this is. This is like a piece of the porch. See that? It's like a wooden stake. Yeah. I don't even know what it is. I'll have to find a way to get rid of that. I'm gonna put it in the trash after that. It's been there for a while. And for the for these stairs, we always put it over here. These are a bunch of rocks, bunch of decorative rocks. So we just put it on there. No need to go to the backyard and just throw it in there. It seems like they had already got most of it. Oh, yeah. Sun's out. Oh, whoops. That's the gutter right there. Yeah, the skies are already starting to you see the sun shining. The sun is shining right on me. Oh god, snow is falling off the roof. It's falling right on me. It's falling on the back of my neck here. I don't even know if you can see it yet. But all of it falling down. Beautiful. And everything else is down there now. Porch is pretty much done. The porch, the stairs, these stairs right here, they're pretty much finished. They're all done. They're all done. I'm gonna put that back on the porch. I'm just putting it right there for now. Yep. So it's all done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the beautiful work that we did. And here it is. This is the porch after it's all been shoveled. I'm gonna put those back against the wall again. But yeah, just look at that sun right there. That's beautiful, beautiful sun. I went and took everything else off. All the whole deck is finished. I wonder where Clark is. Clark the cat that comes around. Yeah, here it is. And here's the driveway. This is the driveway that my neighbor snow plowed. I think he's still plowing the rest of the street and everyone else's driveway. Tell him, man, he's a really good guy. Yeah, here's the stairs. Yeah, look at all that hard work we did, huh? We used to have a asparagus garden there. We don't grow it anymore. But there used to be like a fence there and it's all toppled down now under all that snow. But yeah, just look at all this beautiful fresh snow that we had. Can't wait to do my weather report later today with all this stuff in the background. Just look at how beautiful it is. But yeah, that is the deck, and that's all the fake corn that the squirrels eat. This is the fake corn that they eat right here. So yeah. Anyways, that is my special video for today. That is my snow shoveling video that I just did. So yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, have fun, stay warm. Definitely stay warm today if you're in the Midwest. It's freezing out right now. But yeah, oh, man, look at those skies, man. Those blue skies. Isn't life beautiful, man? It's beautiful. But yeah. Anyways, that's the video for today. I'm gonna go back inside and just chill out for a bit. Hopefully consider if I'll do a streaming career like on Twitch or Kick or whatever, but I'll see. But yep, anyways, that is my beautiful snow shoveling video. Oh, there's the garbage truck. It's a Monday, they always come by. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I will see you all another time. Have a wonderful day.